Good day, viewers. Our topic for today is simple equation. And under this particular topic, we have a subtopic that we want to cover for today, which is equation with bracket. So the first thing that we need to do is to remove the bracket before collecting the like times. So we are going to solve these 5 questions. Let's solve question 1. We have 2 into bracket s plus 5 is equals to 18. So what we need to do is to open the bracket. Open the bracket. And by the time we open the bracket, that means we are going to use the number that is outside here to multiply all the elements that are within the bracket. 2 times s will give us 2s. Then 2 times 5 will give us 10. So we are going to have 2x plus 10 is equals to 18. Then the next step to take is to collect like times. Plus 10 and 18 here, they are like times. And by the time plus 10 goes to the other side of the equation, is going to become minus 10. So we are going to have 2x is equals to 18 minus 10, which will give us 8. Then we are going to divide both sides by 2. We are going to divide by the coefficient of x here. So we are going to have 2s over 2 is equals to 8 over 2. 2 will eliminate 2 here, so we are going to have x to be equals to 4. Number 2, we have 15 is equals to 3 into bracket s minus 3. We are going to remove the bracket. Remove the bracket. So we are going to have 15 is equals to 3 times s will give us 3s. Then 3 times minus 3 will give us minus 9. And don't forget that we can also rewrite this equation as 3s minus 9 is equals to 15. Reason because right hand side is the same thing as left hand side. So we are going to collect like times. Collect like times. And by the time we collect like times, that means we are going to take minus 9 to the other side of the equation. So we are going to have 3s is equals to 15 plus 9. And our answer will be 3s is equals to 24. So we are going to divide both sides by 3. So therefore, s is equals to 24 divided by 3. So we are going to have 8 as our answer. Question 3. We have 4 into bracket s plus 7 plus 12 is equals to 0. So we are going to remove the bracket. Remove the bracket. And by the time we remove the bracket, we are going to use this 4 to multiply the element within the bracket. So 4 times s will give us 4s. Then 4 times 7 will give us 28 plus 12 is equals to 0. Plus 28 plus 12, they are like times, so we can add this together. We are going to have 4x plus 40 is equals to 0. Then we are going to take plus 40 to the other side of the equation. We are going to have 4s is equals to 0 minus 40, which will be 4s is equals to minus 40. Then we are going to divide both sides by 4. So therefore, s is equals to minus 40 over 4. And our answer will be minus 10. Then question 4. We have 3 into 3s minus 1 is equals to 4 into s plus 3. So we are going to open the bracket. And by the time we open the bracket in our right hand side here, okay, let's do the left hand side first. 3 times s will give us 9s. Then 3 times minus 1 will give us minus 3. 4 times s will give us 4s. Then 4 times plus 3 will give us plus 12. And we are going to collect like times. By the time we collect like times, we are going to have 9x minus 4x. Because 9x and 4x, they are like times. And by the time 4x comes to the other side of the equation, it's going to be minus. Then we are going to have 12. By the time minus 3 goes to the other side of the equation, is going to be plus 3. So 9s minus 4s will give us 5s. Then 12 plus 3 will give us 15. Then we are going to divide both sides by 5. So we are going to have 15 over 5, which will give us 3. Then the last but not the least question for today, we have 2 into bracket y minus 2 plus 3 into bracket y minus 7 is equals to 0. So we are going to open the bracket. And by the time we open the bracket, we are going to have 2 times y to give us 2y. minus 2 times 2 will give us 4, plus 3 times y will give us 3y, plus times minus will give us minus, 3 times 7 will give us 21 is equals to 0. Then we are going to collect like times. Collect like times. So we are going to have 2y plus 3y minus 21 minus 4 is equals to 0. 2y plus 3y will give us 5y. Minus 21 minus 4 will give us minus 25 is equals to 0. Then we are going to take this minus 25 to the other side of the equation. We are going to have 5y is equals to 0 plus 25. 5y is equals to 25. And y is equals to 25 over 5. So which will give us 5. I want to encourage you to solve this equation. Solve the following equations. Number 1, you have 3 into bracket 2s minus 5 is equal 8. Then question 2, you have 5 into k plus 2 minus 3 into k minus 2 is equal 8. Thank you.